won't go home without my daughter. I won't go home without my daughter. I don't want to lose him. I don't want to lose him. Who is that girl? Why is she crying? Edge to her. Who is that girl? Why is she crying? Edge to her.
Nagme, I promise you we will go. You've got... Nagme, I promise you we will go. You've got...
She is my daughter. She is your niece. She is my daughter. She is your niece.
I need to go now. I need to go now.
Please save me. Please save me, Uncle. Please save me. Please save me. Please save me, Uncle. Please save me.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
Are you listening, Ejder? Are you listening, Ejder?
What's happening, Ejder? What's happening, Ejder? Why are you so angry right now? Why are you so angry right now?
This is all your fault, Ejder. This is all your fault, Ejder. This is happening because of you. This is happening because of you. Where's my daughter? What? Where's my daughter? What?
You really scared me. You really scared me. Don't be late, okay? Don't be late, okay? Mrs. Besame? Sorry, may I come in? Mrs. Besame? Sorry, may I come in? I want to ask you something. I want to ask you something. Is he really your son? Is he really your son?
Where is your brother, huh? Huh? Where is your brother? Where is your brother, huh? Huh? Where is your brother?
Where is Elvan? Mother! Where is Elvan? Where is Elvan? Mother! Where is Elvan?